Good Monday morning to you. Welcome to the Monday morning edition of the map discussion. As you can see, the eastern and western Pacific Northwest, specifically western, but really the eastern seaboard is a mess. We have clouds, rain, and if you're closer to this remnant of Tropical Storm Rafael, maybe some gusts of wind. Up towards the north, you see another nice cold front with some high pressure. Again, these green colors over North Dakota, those aren't clouds. That's how cold the temperatures are. The satellite thinks it's clouds. But then you have these are actually clouds over here in the Pacific Northwest as another storm system's making its way through. It's just the pattern that we're in. It's what we call a progressive pattern. Just storm system, high pressure, storm system, high pressure. And that should continue at least for the next few days. So let's get into the forecast. Hold up. I wanted to go to the radar first because we do have some precipitation that's making its way over the mountains. Mainly, the heaviest is mainly north of I-40. Getting into Boone and then Blacksburg and just east of Bristol. But just be aware that you could be looking at some very wet roads getting into North Wilkesboro as you make your way to work this morning, or by the time this video is posted, you might already be there. Our forecast. So this is what the weather map looks like right now. If we go through time here, this is 8 a.m. You see we have some precipitation still over the mountains and some parts of the Piedmont by 8 a.m. The front is forecast to cross the Charlotte region towards this afternoon by 1 p.m. with some showers and thunderstorms along the North Carolina coast mainly this afternoon. As we make our way through tonight, this next cold front makes a dive towards the Carolinas, but as fate would have it, it kind of dissolves as it enters the mountains of North Carolina from the north as high pressure slides eastward over southeastern Canada by Tuesday night. The next system takes shape out west along the Mississippi River Valley and points just to the west, with some showers and thunderstorms mainly confined to the Gulf Coast area. This precipitation and storm system makes its way eastward. It's just part of this pattern where we have storm system, high pressure, storm system. So we have rain, sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, rain, sun. This high pressure is nosing its way down. It's being very nosy, making its way down into the Carolinas. This could kind of offset some of the warm air that's being brought up, or even protect us from warm air, which is good because warm air is depressing this time of year. This weather map is 8 a.m. Thursday, November 14th, and that storm system continues to make its way off the coast as high pressure once again takes over the Carolinas and does so until Sunday, 7 a.m. Sunday, as another storm system takes shape over the upper Mississippi River Valley, and it will take its time making its way east as high pressure, in this case, will remain in control across the Carolinas. So besides today, the next best shot of seeing some rain is Thursday, November 14th. As we make our way through time, this is 8 a.m. Thursday, so I'm getting into some of the rain across the mountains of North Carolina getting into the Charlotte region by 8 a.m. Thursday, November 14th. Through the day, this precipitation field should slide eastward, and then the coastal regions get involved by the evening of Thursday. And then this slides off the coast, and really nothing until this storm system takes shape early next week. Whether or not the precipitation makes its way or survives all the way east is in doubt right now. So right now, the next best shot of seeing some rain is really Wednesday night through the afternoon on Thursday. Looking at our high temperatures over the next couple of days, today's high across the Charlotte metro region is about 74, 63 towards Boone with some of the rain showers this morning, and 77 towards Wilmington. Oof. We cool down a little bit as that front passes. 66 across the Hickory region, 71 across the upstate, getting into the mid 70s and upper 70s across the Savannah region. Wednesday is the cool day, 55 degrees in Hickory, 49 in Boone. Even the coastal regions will cool off, getting into the low 60s across the coastal regions of North Carolina, mid 60s and upper 60s across the coastal regions of South Carolina. Those cooler temperatures remain in place at least across the Piedmont and foothills, and this is that high pressure being nosy. When that high pressure becomes nosy, you get these cold air damming events. And notice that the wind flags are pointing towards the north. That's where the wind is coming from. So you have cool temperatures, winds coming from the north. It's probably going to be pretty overcast across the foothills and Piedmont of North Carolina, getting into the upstate of South Carolina there on Thursday. Friday, that frontal system has made its way through. By then, high pressure gets back in control of our weather, and we unfortunately modify the temperatures a little bit. We're back into the upper 60s across the Charlotte metro region, to low 70s to mid 70s across the coastal regions of North and South Carolina. Temperatures will reflect the same pattern. Now this is the low temperature for Tuesday. 50 degrees Tuesday as you wake up and go to work in the Charlotte region. 49 degrees in Greenville, Spartanburg, and towards 60 degrees in Wilmington on Tuesday. Now look at that. That's a little taste of late fall, early winter. In the mid 30s as lows Wednesday morning across the Greensboro and Winston-Salem region. Low 40s across the Charlotte metro region. Even down towards Wilmington, 43 degrees as you wake up and go to work Wednesday morning. Grab a jacket. Those cooler temperatures start to slip going into Thursday, but not too much. Not too much across, especially across the northern parts of North Carolina, where you're still hanging on to the mid 30s. So that about does it for this map discussion. I want to thank all the veterans who served and are currently serving. Thank you for your service. I know I have some family members that have served and are currently serving, and I just want to take this time to thank you for your service, and thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.